Hello everyone, we got extra news for today's video. Now I've been monitoring the XRP chart, and guys, Sunday weekly close is today. By the time you guys are watching this, I'm pretty sure we're going to have a very good close on the weekly chart for XRP. All new all-time highs is on the horizon, guys. I'm very excited for what's about to actually take place. Wow, we really are there, guys. That's really crazy to think about. Alex Kaba tweeted out XRP 70 cents on XRP Korean pair. It's feeling like 2017 with the fiat pair gaps. Again, back in 2017, lots of gaps between the pairs, guys, and it's happening again. If you go to Brother's tweet, anyone know what XRP price is? Look at this. US dollar, 62 cents. Over here as well, 65 cents. And then 63 cents. It's all over the place, guys. It's all. Someone call David and tell him his bots are glitching again. Where's that secret ledger with the 2K XRP's price, guys? XRP News is tweeted out. You've been here this long. You should be proud of yourself. They tried to force you out. They tried to spread FUD. But you have overcome all. The end is near, people. I like to think of it as the beginning is near. Remember, guys, when the SEC news came about with Ripple getting sued? But look where we're at now, guys. About to reach all-time high again, which is pretty crazy. Reborn to tweet out, what happened to cars? They got faster, more reliable, economic and secure. What happened to the internet? It got faster, more reliable, safe and secure. What happened to technology? It got faster, more reliable, compact and efficient. So what's going to happen to money? Very interesting. It's all in front of our faces, guys. The evolution of money. Look at that. Cryptocurrency. In the now, in the present, guys. We are heading into the digitization era, which is crazy, guys. And XRP will be the blood and heart of the new financial system. And you were here before it all took place. Liquidity Capital tweeted out, the flippening is visible for the first time on the horizon. Again, guys, there we go. The flippening is going to happen. It's crazy. But guys, we are literally right there. Jack the Rippler tweeted out, this is going to happen, XRP. Ripple will never reach $1 in quotation. Ripple will never reach $10. Ripple will never reach $100 in quotations. Plans within plans continue to play out. Again, guys, I mean, one day we're going to see these crazy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit numbers for XRP. It's going to be a sight to see when the day actually appears, guys, in front of our faces. Digital asset investors tweet out, I think the US has always had a plan, and Gary Gensler knows all about it. What do we see here? China sets sights on a digital currency to challenge the US dollar. Remember, guys, the race. China versus the US. And Gary Gensler knows all about it. He's about to get confirmed on April 12th, I'm pretty sure, which will speed up the SEC lawsuit, hopefully. Next here comes your Mac attack. Ripple vs SEC. Next big event is April 6th. Motions to seal, just a sideshow. Look at that. So there are many dates on the horizon, guys. We have April 6th and April 12th and April 14th. April 6th, we can see this is about to take place. April 12th, Gary Gensler, and April 14th, Coinbase IPO. Look how all of these events are timing or lining up perfectly. In Ripple's legal dispute against the US SEC, things have been no less quiet in recent days than the weeks before. However, both parties are currently arguing about an issue that will probably not really be decisive for the outcome of the case, as attorney Jeremy Hogan commented via Twitter. April 6th hearing could bring new momentum. Guys, remember, look how the pace is being picked up now. Isn't that quite interesting? Attorney Jeremy Hogan summed up that the documents are merely a sideshow and pointed out that the next big event will take place on Tuesday, April 6th. That's when a discovery conference will take place to discuss Ripple's motion to disclose the SEC documents regarding the classification of Bitcoin and Ethereum as non-securities, Hogan stated. Wow, guys, so April 6th, it's going to be released and exposed. The classification of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Interesting. What will actually take place on that day, guys? The flippening, who really knows? In SEC vs. Ripple, there has been a lot of activity regarding motions to seal documents and some other minor disclosure issues. One should not lose sight of the forest for the trees. Now, we did read this on my other channel, but again, we can see how things are speeding up by the looks of things, guys. Very interesting to say the least. Next, it comes from Peter Vass. Central bank digital currency. Central bank poised to launch retail CBDC. The Bank of Thailand is scheduled to launch the retail central bank digital currency CBDC by the second quarter next year, allowing to access more convenient and secure financial services. Wow, guys, look, it's the whole world. The whole world is changing right before our eyes, but some people make it too complicated to see what is actually taking place behind the veil. I mean, central bank digital currencies, guys, will be into the play very soon. What will be the bridge? What will be the bridge of these currencies? There has to be a bridge. Oh, I remember. It's going to be XRP. Wow, that's really beautiful. Retail central bank digital currency is a digital form of money issued by the central bank, comparable to physical banknotes, and can be used in financial transactions both online and offline. So, again, guys, look at that. The central bank has been developing the digital currency for individual usage after the progress of wholesale CBDC. Again, the digitization era, guys, we are upon it. We are right there. CryPTOVERSITY has tweeted out, banks being bullish on Bitcoin at all-time highs is a huge red flag. Bitcoin is supposed to be a rejection of the corrupt banking system. Instead, new generation Bitcoiners are blinded by greed and think the banks are there to help. As always, they have ulterior motives. Again, remember the banks. Who is helping the banks as we speak? Ripple and XRP are there to solve the problem and be the solution to this financial system, which will bring up the new financial system. Remember, banks don't like Bitcoin, guys. They don't. As we can see, all of a sudden, all these people like Bitcoin. Sending the Bitcoiners to the slaughterhouse, guys. Shilling the fool's gold, as we have seen, as we have stated before many times. Zero Hedge tweet of Feds warn mortgage firm, tidal wave of distress coming as forbearance program set to lapse. Oh, what do we see here, guys? No one should be surprised by what is coming. Again, the statement do. Guys, again, the economy collapses. Remember. What will take place? XRP being the heart and blood of the new financial system. And XRP seems to be going higher and higher by the day, guys. Its time is near. Its time is really near. But remember, XRP is going higher and higher by looking at the charts. But the question is, when will the switch be flipped? That's the real question. Because then XRP's price will go to unimaginable numbers, 3 digits, 4 digits, and 5 digits out of nowhere, guys. Supposedly overnight, but we'll see to what actually happens in the coming days, weeks, and months. Hopefully you guys are all prepared for whatever actually takes place, but who really knows what will take place at the end of the day. But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please leave a like, subscribe, guys, and feel free to be a member of the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys are having an amazing day, and you guys, see ya.
Sometimes I don't want to hear what Dan has to tell me. But as I wrote in one of my blogs, the old man, he's always right. Because he's telling you what you don't want to hear about yourself, but what you know is true. And that is, you're not stepping yourself up. You're not stepping your game up. And you get caught up in fear. As Dan says, false expectations appearing real.